Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies software testing resume preparation. First, sections of software testing resume. What is resume? Software testing resume. Next, third one, sections of software testing resume. Fourth one, resume header. Next, objective, professional summary, technical skills, educational qualifications, work experience, projects, and personal details. This is the session index. First one, what is resume? I think all of you familiar with this term. A resume is a document used by a person to present their backgrounds and skills. Resumes can be used for variety of reasons, but most often they are used to secure new employment. Next, software testing resume preparation guidelines. Generally, we prepare our resume by providing our personal, academic, software testing skills and work experience, etc. Resume preparation is an important activity in every professional career. We prepare our resume to get suitable job, and it is required every time whenever we go for new job. By providing our educational, profession related and personal information, we prepare our resume. Then upload the resume to popular job portals like Naukri.com, Monstar.com, etc. Sometimes we send our resume to our friends for referring to their companies, and sometimes we apply our resume to job advertisements directly. If you have a well defined resume, then it will be shortlisted easily, and interviewers ask most of the questions based on your resume only. So prepare well and informative resume. Next, third one, sections of software testing resume. No restrictions for preparing the resume, but try to follow standard formats and mention your information clearly and, if possible, briefly. Use important keywords that related to your profession. Nowadays, first software shortlists your resume, then manual verification. So use your profession related keywords for preparing your resume. Next, important sections in software testing resume are: first one, resume header. Second one, objective, career objective. It is optional. Next, third one, technical skills. Third one, professional summary. Fourth one, technical skills. Fifth one, educational information. Sixth one, work experience. Seventh one, projects, important section. Next, last one, personal details. Okay, first one, resume header. Write basic information about how to reach you. Your name, address, email ID, phone number, and link to your profile on a professional network, certifications, etc. Address is optional, but name, email ID, phone number, these three fields are mandatory fields. Next, objective. It is an optional section, especially useful to explain your choice of getting into IT QA field. If you have not if you have not been from a computer science background and have a different career prior to now, or if you have been from a certain branch of IT and want to transition to another one. It is optional field. Example, to obtain a challenging and responsible position in the area of software testing where my knowledge, ability and dedication will be utilized. It is an example. You can prepare it in your own words. Next, professional summary. It is important section. Summarize your skills, strengths, roles performed, technologies you know, achievements if any. Start with the points that are most significant in the list. Example, suppose 5+ years of industry experience in the area of software testing, within brackets manual and automation, with a solid understanding of test planning, test design, test execution and defect reporting and tracking process. It is one point. Next, understanding and analyzing test requirements, tracking changes and maintenance of test requirements. Test requirement related, it is important for software testers if it is manual testing or automated testing. Next point, well versed with various stages of SDLC and test levels, test types and test design techniques. Well versed with various SDLC models, test levels, test types and test design techniques. Next point, experience on all phases of software test process includes test planning, test design, test execution and test closure. Next, expertise in generating test scenarios, test cases and collect test data. Next point, experience on defect reporting, defect tracking and on complete defect life cycle. Next, automation related, experience on automated testing using UFT, formerly QTP and Selenium. Next, expertise on programming fundamentals and database fundamentals. Next point, familiar with Java programming and VB script. Next point, writing and executing SQL statements and knowledge on SQL Server and Oracle database management systems. Next, quality standards related, one point, knowledge on quality standards like ISO and IEEE, etc. Next, one general concept, general point, good interpersonal skills, communication, committed, result oriented, hard working with a quest and zeal to learn new technologies. Okay, summarizing our professional skills, in this software testers like you people have to mention requirements related point, SDLC related point, STLC software test process related point, next test design related point, scenarios, cases, etc. Next, test execution related point, then automation related point. Next, related technologies like SQL related point. Next, quality standards like ISO, IEEE related point. Next, last one, general point, communication and other your skills related point. It's not, these are not professional skills, personal skills, general skills. Okay. Next, seventh one, technical skills. Technical skills, list all your skills acquired on job and off job according to categories. For example, operating systems, right side, Windows and Unix. Next, programming. Programming is not our direct concern, but if you know the programming knowledge, then you are easily transferable to automated testing. Then you can easily cope up with test automation or automated testing. Programming, for example, C, VB script and Java. Next, documentation. In our software testing, documentation is very important task. We document our test scenarios, test cases and test results, etc. Defect reports also. So documentation skills important for testers. Documentation, right side, MS Office, if available, Open Office, Star Office on Unix environment. MS Office is mandatory. Next, database knowledge. Databases, SQL Server, Oracle. Next, testing tools, UFT, Selenium. Next, web technologies. Nowadays, most of the applications are software applications or web applications. So you need to familiar with web technologies. Little bit knowledge. Web technologies, right side, HTML, XML and JavaScript, etc. Next, eighth one, educational information. Start with your highest education as the first line. Provide the PG if available. Provide your PG, then graduation. Next, 10+2. Next, 10th standard, year of passing, institution and city. You went to the next. Next, it is optional to include the score you received. Percentage optional. Next one, work experience. List all the organizations you worked for until now. A table works best for this order. Order the columns in this table by keeping your most recent experience as the first row. Next, important section in our resume, projects. If you are experienced person, it is mandatory and important. If you are a fresher, projects section not required. You can mention your academic project if you are computer graduate, otherwise leave it. Projects, if you are an experienced person, mention your projects. Projects, it is a main section in the IT professional's resume, not only software tester. This is where specific information about the kind of work you have performed during the course of your previous employment leading up to now. In case of multiple projects, start with your most recent project and move to the next. Next, write your projects one by one. Each project should include project header, description. Next, third subsection, roles and responsibilities. First, project header. Here mention project name, client, it is optional. Next, duration, start month and year and end month and year. Next, role, your role. Next, environment, your test environment. Next, tools. If we use any tools, mention. Otherwise, just manual testing, leave it this tools. Next, come to second subsection, description. A small paragraph about the application that was worked on. Next, detailed functionality is not necessary. See, a small paragraph about the application that was worked on, detailed functionality is not necessary. Next, third subsection, roles and responsibilities. Use bulleted points to describe what your day-to-day activities on job were. Okay. Next, last one, personal details. Write your name, address, blood group and passport details if any. Next, reference if any. Thank you.